Hello everyone, welcome back to your very own Learn the Mahi Way. So here I am talking about a very important topic with regards to science or specifically biology, that is cell. That is a structural and a fundamental unit of life. So speaking about putting it into a category, so this is primarily a topic from the ninth standard CBSE portion. But whenever we talk about science or biology, right from the first standard where we are studying EVS about environment up till the 10th or even going beyond that, whenever we talk about biology, biology is going to be incomplete without the study of cells. Okay. So what we are going to study in today's session is, firstly, we are going to see what is a cell, why is it important, from where did the discovery of cells happen, what is the history of the cells, and the last thing is what are the uses of the cell or what are the functions of the cell. All right, so let's get started. First thing being, what is a cell? In my previous videos, if you all have gone through them, I have always said a cell is like a brick in a big building. Okay, so जैसे एक brick के बिना a building cannot be made, similarly any living organism is incomplete without a cell. Or incomplete is also probably not a very correct word. You can say a organism cannot be formed without a cell. It is the cell which is therefore called as the structural and fundamental basic unit of life. So that is a cell. Now, where is it used? How is it? We are going to study about all of that in detail now. So history and discovery. From where did this word cell come? Okay. So there was this scientist called Robert Hooke who was once studying a cock of a plant or a tree. What is a cock of a tree? It is a small part from the bark of the tree. वो नीचे ट्री का जो ब्राउन पार्ट होता है that is called as a bark of the tree, and from that a small part, that is a cock of the tree, he studied that under a microscope. Okay, so what he found in that was some sections which appeared like this. Found that there was something inside that the cock of the plant which appeared something like this. So Robert Hooke said that this appears to be something like small rooms. Okay, so these small rooms were then called as cells. Okay, the study of cells is called as cytology. Okay, the study of cells is called as cytology, and these small rooms which were called by Robert Hooke was then termed as cells. And then further on, there were many more scientists who came forward. That is another scientist called Leeuwenhoek. He studied these cells in living marine organisms. Okay, what are marine organisms? Organisms that live in water. So when Leeuwenhoek studied some organisms living in water, he found these cells alive. Whereas when Robert Hooke studied these cells in the cock of the tree, he found that they were dead cells. Okay, cells in an organism which is living are going to be called as dead cells, and there are cells which are worn off. Okay, जिनका कोई काम नहीं है, they are probably died. Those are the dead cells. Okay, so ऐसे होता गया discovery, and that is from where the history of cells started. The study of cells came into being. अब ये सेल डिस्कवर हो गया, अब इसका यूज क्या है, इसका फंक्शन क्या है, वेयर इज इट एग्जैक्टली हेल्पिंग अस. ओके, so the first thing is structure and function. Like I said, a building cannot be made without the basic foundation of bricks. So similarly, it is the cell here. Whenever we talk about any body or any organism, it is the cells which are laying the structure of the body, and they are also giving it a shape. Okay, and of course, function is the most important thing. अलग अलग ऑर्गन में अलग अलग टाइप के सेल्स होते हैं. सो दोस सेल्स are the ones which decide the function, in which organ which type of cells are there and what function they are going to play. So that is the first role of the cell. Second thing is growth and repair. Okay, now what is growth and repair? Let's take for an example, you get some small scratch on your hand. Okay, वो wound या वो scratch हमेशा के लिए तो नहीं रहता है, right? It goes away after some time, right? So why and how does it grow away is, there are these cells which are present on the layer of our skin. ठीक है, थोड़े टाइम के लिए वो ब्रूज रहता है, and after some time it goes away. We see a fresh layer of skin, right? तो ये fresh layer of skin कहाँ से आ गया? जो हमारे स्किन का लेयर होता है उसमें बहुत सारे सेल्स होते हैं. So those cells have died जब हमको यहाँ लगा है, and then new cells are growing and the repair of our body is happening. तो जैसे जैसे न्यू सेल्स ग्रो होते हैं वैसा वैसा हमारे बॉडी का रिपेयर होता है. ओके, सो सेल्स आर ऑल्सो प्लेइंग अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन ग्रोथ एंड रिपेयर. Next is reproduction. Now, what is reproduction? Production means making something, right? And reproduction means making the same thing again and again. Okay. So, how does reproduction happen? Now, see. For example, you have one cell. Okay. For example, we have one cell. This cell will form two cells. One cell has given rise to two cells. Then ahead, this cell will again give rise to two cells. This cell will again give rise to two cells. And this process keeps on continuing. अभी आगे again इसमें से दो बनेंगे, इसमें से दो, इसमें से दो, इसमें से दो. This process keeps on continuing always and forever. Cells will keep dividing, and that is how the growth in our body keeps happening. That is how the repair in our body keeps happening. So, suppose I stop the process here. We started with one cell and here we now have 8 cells. Right? So, ऐसे एक cell का division होते रहता है, and because of which it is also taking a very crucial function or taking up a very important role of reproduction. It is reproducing something. Okay? कोई चीज को produce करना again and again is called as reproduction. So, that is another important role that the cells are playing in our body. Next is genetic store. The cells are also called as genetic stores. Now, you all must have heard the word about genes, you know. कोई character होता है हमें, and then, you know, we say that probably this genes has come from your father or this genes has come from your mother. So, what does that genes mean? Genes basically is a trait or a character which comes to us from our parents or from our ancestors, okay? So, ये जो genes होता है, which comes to us from our parents, from our mother, father, grandfather, grandmother, whatever, in the family, those genes, that DNA is stored in these cells. Okay? सेल के स्ट्रक्चर के अंदर बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स होते हैं, छोटे छोटे ऑर्गन्स होते हैं, जिसके अंदर ये जेनेटिक स्टोर होता है. Okay? So, in our upcoming sessions, when we will be studying about the structure of the cell in detail, I will be telling you all more about genes, genetics, and where the DNA is stored in the cell. For now, what we only need to know is cells play a role as a genetic store in our body where they are storing our genes and our DNA material. And last but not the least is energy giving. Now, these cells are the cells which are containing blood. They are absorbing all the nutrients from our body, and those nutrients are ultimately giving out energy. So, that energy is also stored in these cells itself. Okay, so these are the primarily, say, 5 functions of the cells, and cell again is a very integral part of biology. It is very important for all of us to know what a cell is. I assure you, if you study about the cell in detail, many things are going to become very, very easy for you. Okay, one last thing that I wanted to mention was all organisms are having cells, right? There are many organisms which are made up of one single cell. Okay, so one single cell organisms are called as unicellular organisms. Organisms which have one cell are called as unicellular. Uni means one. They are called as unicellular, which means having one single cell. And which have more than one cells are called as multicellular organisms. Okay, organisms which have one cell are called as unicellular organisms. Organisms which have more cells are called as multicellular organisms. So we will be studying more in detail about these unicellular and multicellular organisms. What are the different types of cells? What is the structure of a cell? How the cell plays a very important role in all the functions that are happening in our body. So I hope all of you like, share and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned to the channel for more updates and another interesting video on cell coming soon.